was trying to go on my flight.
You're totally too drunk, and they're not going to let you fly.
I'm taking this shit.
You're gonna go to jail
Why?
for disorderly conduct.
I didn't do anything.
You hit an officer. Way to go. Go to jail.
At least it's not Polk County. Can you?
Drunk passenger, a boarding denial, a misdemeanor that became a felony in under 60 seconds. Every decision made in this terminal had a legal consequence. But were all of them lawful? And who, under Florida law, truly bears the greater responsibility for what followed?
Go ahead.
Telephone, the speak where we make announcements, and then now she ran to try to open the door.
I was trying to go on my flight.
You're totally too drunk, and they're not going to let you fly. Are you guys going to rebook her or what?
Already rebooked her.
But
Okay,
they gave
so
me me a flight.
Let them talk.
Yeah. Tomorrow at noon? Okay, come on, let's go back up
They
front.
didn't give me a good one.
That's the only flight we have available.
No, give me my.
That's not what you want. You have it in your hand.
You ready?
Just throw it away.
You threw it away.
No, because it said invalid.
That's your
Can you give me
reservation.
another one, please?
I'll give you another one, pal.
For the boarding pass?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you give me another one? Because
He's
it
getting
said
it. He's getting it.
invalid.
He's getting it. He's getting it.
You
I
think
don't know
that's-
why they come here and get
you
drunk
think
like
that's
this
her
and
bag?
think they
That's
can
her
fly.
You think that's her
Girl, I
bag?
can
That's
smell
her
it from
bag?
here.
No, that's
I drank.
Yes, you did.
I did drink. But I was just going to
Yeah. Well, you should have waited till you got there and get towed up.
It's too easy.
I can smell it from here. And they don't want you on the plane with it. So that's why. Okay. Well, we're going to go back down this way.
These motherfuckers just should have fucking let me sleep on the plane.
It don't work that way.
It works. It works that way. It works that way. Do you not give wine? Do you not give wine and liquor on the
Here you
plane?
go.
Do you not give wine and liquor on the plane?
Here we go.
And when the motherfucker gets drunk on the plane, do you not you kick them off the plane? What? You're gonna open up the fucking plane and kick them out? What? Oh, let me, coach. Oh, let me look. You didn't get drunk. Oh, let me fucking kick them off the fucking plane.
Hey.
Watch your language, please.
That's it. No, what? What do you mean
No.
no? That's for tomorrow.
No, it says not valid for travel. And it says passenger incinerated. No,
This is the new one.
No, it's not.
What time is your flight for tomorrow?
It says not valid.
12:10. Economy. 12:10.
This is not valid for travel.
Hey,
I need it. No. My son is graduating, you know.
hey, come here.
I can read.
Can you explain to her this ticket?
It says not
Basically,
valid for
that's
travel.
That's a reservation. So tomorrow at noon, she has to go to the ticket counter. With that information, they print the boarding pass.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what it is.
That
Okay,
makes
you
sense.
got it now? All right.
Okay. With my
We
ID
got
and
it.
everything else?
All right.
Thank you. Somebody want to take me home? Because I don't have a car.
You can grab a cab or an Uber or Lyft.
Somebody want to take me home?
No,
You
ma'am.
guys wanna-
No, ma'am. We just want to escort you back down here.
I'm going to get fucked up in the front. You know what can you do? Yo, I'm escorted. Yo, I'm a bad bitch, right? I got 3 niggas out here.
Keep walking. You're doing great. You're doing great. Keep walking.
Ew.
Look, you're doing great. You're doing great. No, you need to keep walking. Because if you don't, you're going to jail. No, walk and dial. You can do it. Thank you.
Oh, I'm going to jail? What does bookings look like over here in Florida? Because bookings in Southside Jamaica and Queens, they literally they give us sheets and like literally bags. What does it look like over here in Florida? Huh?
It's not nice. Wow.
Right? I'm not a nice girl. This is what you can do. Right? Let me spark some. Right? I can go to jail for that.
And it's always at the end.
I know.
That's what I just told him. I said it's always at the end.
I'll be 298 Alpha, and I'll take that last call. You can cancel anyone.
You know, it could never be a 238. Never. Never.
Are you done in there?
Fucking taking this shit.
What's that?
I'm taking this shit. You want to see it? Fucking crime. You hear me?
You about to wrap it up in there?
Wait. Can I fucking wash my hands?
Of course, that'd be great. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna record.
Okay. Are you done drying?
No, I'm recording.
Okay, great. Well, let's go. We gotta go.
I didn't do anything
go.
wrong.
This way. You're gonna go to jail for
Why?
disorderly conduct. Let's go.
What?
What? Let's go.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Keep moving.
So I'm going to jail for disorderly conduct. You know what? Let's see. Let's think.
Keep moving. Keep moving.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, here's the deal. We got the
I didn't
airport.
do anything wrong.
Listen to me, man. We got the airport operations coming out, and they're going to ask you to leave. All right. If you
So
fail
I'm
to
leaving,
leave,
but I'm not going to
All right.
jail.
all right. I don't want to take you to jail. So,
I'm not going to jail.
all right, let's go,
I didn't fucking do anything wrong.
man.
No, you guys are idiots.
Okay. Man, you can't go that way.
No.
It says do not enter, ma'am. If you want to exit, it's up here, up the escalator,
How are
please.
you just fucking?
Thank you. I'm not sure why you're being disrespectful to me. I'm not doing anything. Ma'am, did you need to rebook or anything like that?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
You guys
Alright.
are getting. I'm going to talk to your sergeant, and I'm going to talk to everybody. What's fucking wrong with you, motherfuckers?
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer.
What the
You're
fuck?
welcome.
Why do you serve
to one of our
drinks,
nearly
right?
70 million visitors. Welcome to the city.
Why do you have bars?
Here,
And why do
imagination
you serve
becomes
drinks
reality
all the
through arts and
time?
attraction.
I
Authentic
didn't do
experiences
anything
are found in
wrong.
art scenes, sporting events, and small businesses. In Orlando, there's something for everyone. We hope you enjoy
Stop
your visit.
following me!
Everything that makes Orlando.
Fucking big ass.
We'll be done once you get through here.
Next time, I'll bring home in, and then you can prove you actually fucking.
2990 golf.
We're good. We're done. You have a good night. All right, ma'am.
Mayor Buddy Dyer. You're a resident. Welcome home. You're one of our nearly 70 million visitors. Welcome to the city.
You're almost there. Keep moving.
Shut up, my lift.
Don't
my
tell me to
lift.
shut up. Get on the escalator. Let's
I
go.
have to see where my lift is.
Get up on the escalator.
I have to see where my lift is.
Up and to the right.
How about you shut the fuck up, you
go.
stupid ass bitch?
Let's go. You're almost there.
Stop fucking. I didn't do anything.
You hit an officer.
You
Way to go.
touched
Go to
me.
jail. Stop resisting.
I'm not.
I got the leg.
You touched me first. Are you really? Can I get my glasses? I can't see anything.
Get him.
Can I get
Well, I
my
got it.
glasses? Can I get
You don't
my
hit an
glasses?
officer.
Can I get my
Stop.
glasses? I can't see anything. Oh, you really, really, guys?
Yep, really.
Can I get my glasses?
Go get your glasses.
You really do it. You gonna arrest me for giving you
Stop.
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 Can you not do that?
Roll to your side, and we're going to help you up, okay?
Can you not do that? That was not
Roll
nice.
to your right side.
You hit me first. You hit me first.
Bring your knees up.
You hit me first.
Come on. Come on. Bring your knees up.
You hit me first.
Come on.
Here we go. Stand up.
You hit me
stand
first. You have the cam on, right?
224 going.
Get your shoe.
You have the cam on, right?
224, go ahead.
Got one more.
Get your shoe. Put your foot in.
Can you pay somebody?
At least it's not Polk County. Can you put this?
We'll get it all.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Oh, that's not
My
nice.
car's back at 2:30.
What's that?
That's not nice.
Grab one of these cars.
There's so
Yeah, we
so
got
much
we got his car. You
here.
got keys to your car?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
There's so
Let's go to
many.
the elevator.
There's
Yeah.
so many criminals.
I know, right?
You're doing good.
Come on.
How about you fucking fuck off? I didn't do anything to you. You hit me first.
You on level 2?
Yes, I'm on
Where's
2.
my hand.
Hit the button.
It's okay. You wanted to arrest me. It's fine.
You had every opportunity.
It's fine. It's fine. I just did this to you.
Stop.
Here we go. Come on.
Fine. I am not a mean person. Why are you?
Face the wall.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It hurts.
Stop.
It hurts.
Yeah. Stop moving. Stop moving.
When we get there, we'll
Quit trying to
adjust it.
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Ow, why are you bending my hand?
I'm not bending your hands.
Stop
Yes,
moving.
you are.
Stop
Stay
moving.
compliant. Quit trying to scratch us.
You have the camera?
Over here.
Why are you bending it? I am not even resisting anything. What the fuck is wrong with you? Why are you so... Do you hate women? Do you hate women? Do you guys hate women? I didn't even do anything wrong. Ow, I just want to put my hands down.
We're going to change it in just a minute.
Oh. What the fuck is wrong with you? Why are you bending my arm? Let me put it down. I think you're bending it. It hurts. What the fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck is wrong with you? Fucking white ass fucking supremacist out.
FIS, G terminal.
Let me put my hands down. What is wrong with you? I didn't do anything wrong to you. You know what? I'll let you bend my hand. Go ahead, bend it. Break it. Go ahead, break it. Stupid ass bitch, break it. Break it so I can sue you because I didn't do anything wrong. I will sue you. I will sue you. I have money. I'm gonna sue you. You don't even know who fucking
10-20.
right? 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 Oh, you don't know how much money I have. I'll get it on the police report. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue the shit out of you. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything wrong.
Need you right here.
I'm gonna
Right
sue
here.
you both.
Right up against the car. Wait, right here.
Can you let my arms go?
You get a fight?
No,
You got a
I
scratch?
didn't. I didn't fight from the.
You just
Please stop.
I didn't.
If she doesn't stop, we'll just cut the bag.
I
You want your
never.
bag cut?
No. I was just holding my bag.
Well, we're going to take it off here in a second.
It's all going with
I
it.
didn't do anything wrong. Can I just put my head up?
Stop. Quit moving.
I'm not.
That's
doing-
it? That's
no,
it?
No, I have
Okay.
more. I
All
have
right.
more.
Come on. We'll get them last two.
This one's hard.
We'll get it.
hard. This one hurts so bad.
Okay. All right.
I'm not gonna do anything. What is wrong with you?
Yeah, it's not coming up.
It's tight. No.
Leave it on. Leave it on.
It's
Leave it
not,
on.
it's not coming
Pull it
up.
harder. Pull it harder.
No.
No, it's not
No,
coming
no.
up.
Pull it harder,
No,
please.
we're not. Go.
No, please. Pull it
Don't
harder.
take it off when you get there.
No.
It'll all go in the same bag.
No. I want you to pull
No.
it harder, please. Because I have a high blood pressure.
I got you.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
We were a searcher. She
Oh, she's on.
got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, search me. I think I have
Do
some.
you have anything on you that can stick me, poke me, hurt me?
No,
No?
man.
Do you have on a sports bra or anything, or no?
Is there anything in your person that shouldn't be in jail? Because you'll get another charge as well. We're trying to
No,
avoid-
nothing.
Okay. All right.
I was going to pay things.
I understand. I just need to make sure. Okay, I want you to get another charge. Okay.
Okay.
Are we putting her in? We're good? Go ahead and get in. Have a seat. You gotta put your leg up. Go in there.
I know.
Okay. Let's turn it on and turn the air on.
Under 14 CFR, Section 121.575. Airline crew members are federally prohibited from allowing any visibly intoxicated passenger to board an aircraft. This is not airline discretion. It is a binding federal mandate. No personal circumstances, no argument, and no prior ticket purchase overrides it. Florida Statute Section 877. 3 defines disorderly conduct as acts that outrage the sense of public decency or affect the peace and quiet of persons who witness them. Florida courts apply this standard broadly to sustained disruptive behavior in public spaces. Severity and duration both weigh on the probable cause analysis. In City of Houston v. Hill 482 U.S. 451 1987. The Supreme Court confirmed that profanity directed at police officers is constitutionally protected speech under the First Amendment. An arrest based solely on offensive language is not lawful. This is settled constitutional law and applies in Florida as in every other jurisdiction. However, First Amendment protection ends where criminal conduct begins. In Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire 315 U.S. 568 1942. The court established the fighting words doctrine. Words that by their very utterance tend to incite an immediate breach of the peace fall entirely outside constitutional protection. The critical distinction is conduct, not language. Graham v. Connor 490 U.S. 386 1989 is the controlling standard for all law enforcement use of force. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. 3 factors govern the severity of the suspected offense: whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting. Florida Statute Section 784. 7 reclassifies any battery upon a law enforcement officer engaged in lawful duties from a misdemeanor to a felony of the 3rd degree, carrying a maximum of 5 years imprisonment. The degree of force applied is legally irrelevant. Physical contact alone triggers the reclassification, and that elevation is automatic under Florida law. In Atwater v. City of Lago Vista 532 U.S. 318 2001. The Supreme Court confirmed that officers hold full custodial arrest authority for misdemeanor offenses where probable cause exists. There is no constitutional requirement to pursue lesser alternatives first. A formal warning before arrest, while tactically sound, is not a legal prerequisite. The first operational lesson here is one of timing. Florida Statute Section 856.11, disorderly intoxication in a public place, was available as an earlier enforcement tool. Earlier intervention under that statute may have prevented the encounter from reaching a use of force threshold. In law enforcement, the choice of when to act is itself a legal decision with consequences. The second lesson is precise and applies to every person in a public interaction with law enforcement. The subject who verbally protests an arrest, even loudly and with profanity, occupies fundamentally different legal territory than one who makes physical contact with an officer. One is a misdemeanor exposure. The other is an automatic felony under Section 784.S7. That line is absolute, and crossing it changes everything. 2 charges were filed. Disorderly conduct under Section 877.3. Battery on a law enforcement officer under Section 784.7. But the decisive factual question, who made first physical contact and under what circumstances, remains open. Under Graham v. Connor, the answer to that question does not just affect the grade. It determines whether the use of force was constitutional at all. So, what does the full video actually show?